Do you know that more than 1 million people in Europe are in regular contact with solvents daily? Solvents are flammable and dangerous to both the environment and the health of users. In addition to these risks, the use of solvents generates a large quantity of waste to be reprocessed. All in all, the constraints pile up: new regulations, health, safety, reprocessing of waste, costly maintenance, etc. Workshops have to face these problems on a daily basis. To answer users' needs, we have imagined, designed and developed a high-performance, economical, ergonomic product that protects operator health. We use the latest technologies of roto-molding techniques. And we combine them with reliable electronics to produce the new generation of biological parts washer. This new generation is combined with advanced solvent-free cleaning formulations and microorganisms that regenerate the solution constantly and biodegrade hydrocarbons. Our parts washers allow operators to work efficiently under optimum health and safety conditions. Degreasing is effective and immediate thanks to the cleaning solution which unstick dirt and residues. Machining oils, high-temperature greases, printing inks, even carbonate parts are quickly eliminated. A biological parts washer has 3 essential components: a parts washer for optimum cleaning of parts, a solvent-free cleaning solution based on surfactants that unstick dirt and residues efficiently, a microorganisms tablet to biodegrade the hydrocarbons and to regenerate the solution. The principle of a biological parts washer is based on a combination of these 3 elements. As you use the parts washer to degrease parts, microorganisms are then eliminating oil, grease and particles to regenerate the solution. Adding a tablet constantly regenerates the solution to maintain its efficiency. Operators prefer working efficiently under optimum health and safety conditions. Without solvents, without safety-labelled solutions, non-flammable. The cleaning solution is safe to the operator and the environment. Unlike solvents that quickly become saturated and ineffective, the biological parts washer maintains constant cleaning quality over time thanks to the action of microorganisms that continuously regenerate the solution. Solvents must be completely replaced on a regular basis and require very costly waste management. Adding tablets regenerates the solution, minimizes waste and the cost of reprocessing and maintenance. The biological parts washer is now the logical choice when it comes to cleaning parts in a workshop. The biological parts washer is ergonomic and perfectly fits into your workshop. Every feature of the parts washer has been optimized. Our parts washer has already gained its spurs in many business sectors, where it is used every day by thousands of operators who definitely